Alright everybody, good morning. Let's see, it is 3:50 in Colombia, pretty early in the morning, and I'm ready to start the adventure. The plan today is to go to Cerro Kennedy, which is pretty far up in the mountains, and yeah, the plan is to arrive super early to have the best view, you know, because most of the times around midday everything is full of clouds, and so the plan is to arrive early, and I'm ready to go, and obviously I'm gonna take you guys with me. So finally we see the first daylight coming, which is good. Here you can see still Barranquilla and some other cities. By the way, right now it is 5:34. Sun is coming up. And I think it's gonna be like maybe 1 hour more, so let's keep going. All right, so finally we have some good daylight. Yeah, this is basically the way. I'm gonna go on. I can already see the top, so it's not so far anymore. The thing is, it's really steep, so even if you can see the top, it's gonna take like well, I guess like 40 minutes more. Because of the altitude, I needed to calibrate the carburetor a little bit. Well, so let's go. Okay, so now we arrived to San Lorenzo, which was, well, I think in the past it was a military station. And here's a little point of view. And I would say this view is, yeah, I mean, look at this. Here we can see Santa Marta. And well, I will put in the video the altitude of San Lorenzo. Maybe it is here somewhere. I will take a look. Estación Experimental San Lorenzo. Well, but anyways, I'm gonna keep going to not miss the best view. The way it's going there, I have the feeling it's gonna be absolutely insane. The view. Okay. Yeah, let's go. So far this little baby here, Big Betsy, is doing really good. I know it has not the best ground clearance, but it has good tires, off-road tires. It's a little tractor. It has a lot of torque. It doesn't have the most horsepower, but it doesn't weigh a lot. It has a lot of torque, especially down low. You can just crawl up these steep hills without any problem. And so far I'm really happy and satisfied with this nice little motor. So it is 6:30 right now, the sun is already up and we can see the Cerro Kennedy. I don't know how long it's gonna take to get up there, but at least we can see destination. So, and we're pretty high up. I can feel it. It's like every movement is more exhausting and the motor is screaming for air. Okay, it seems like we arrived. So as I told you in the beginning, it is like a military station. So I don't know how will be the accessibility. Well, it is over here. Alright guys, I arrived. We have a beautiful weather. These are the mountain peaks of the Sierra Nevada that go up to 5,600 or 5,700 meters above sea level. This is the military place for the helicopters. There's some signal towers and everything. And this is really a high point. It's like really impressive because you can see everything. This is the Caribbean Sea. This is the pueblo, the town that is called Pueblo Viejo. Then you can see the road. You can see Barranquilla, and wow, you can see really far. I'm impressed. And what I learned is that this little motorcycle is pretty good in the mountains. I had to adjust the carburetor because it was screaming for air. But yeah, it was going good. Like I said before, it is a little tractor. It will keep on going up even if it's really steep. Yeah, I'm really happy. And yeah, what I learned is that it has really good clutch plates because on these hills I had to work the clutch a lot. And so that's it. I'm gonna enjoy the view a little bit more. Probably I'm gonna do like a time lapse because I see the clouds building up right there. And I'm just gonna enjoy the view a little bit more. And yeah, maybe I'm gonna take some more videos on the way down if I see something. But yeah, this is really impressive. Alright, I was enjoying my view for like an hour, and yeah, I can just say this is like a really impressive place. This right here is another viewpoint. Right there's the Caribbean Sea down there. It's just impressive because down there you're sweating. It's gonna be like 32, 34 degrees. You're gonna be sweating with a t-shirt, and up here with long pants I'm having 2 jackets on and I'm still freezing. And we can already see the clouds building up. Now it is like, I think it's 8:30. This place is just amazing. Up there, the highest peaks, as I told you before, you can see the snow pretty good. It is really impressive. The locals told me that like around 10 or 11 it's gonna start raining and you're gonna be inside of the clouds, and it's gonna be even worse because, you know, wet and cold is the worst combination. So I'm gonna enjoy a little bit more the peaks and the views, and when these clouds are building up even more, I'm starting to go down. I would say thanks for watching. If you're interested to see more Colombian adventure videos, subscribe to the channel, and you can always leave a comment what you would like to see. And we're gonna have many more adventures with this little motorcycle here, or even without the motorcycle. It's just about, this channel is about adventures here in Colombia, you know, traveling, seeing new cool places. If you liked this video, I would be happy if you give me a thumbs up. It doesn't take a lot of time. And so yeah, thanks for watching, guys.